Hi! In front of me is POCO M4 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and install free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer, the free version. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Tap on Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Yes in the pop-up. Now, before tapping on Set Wallpaper, click on this gear at the top right corner. Then select I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. You can also just tap on Presets at the top left corner and click on the best one for you. In my case, this one. Now select Yes in Load Preset pop-up and tap on the back button. Following that, click on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!